Hi guys, sorry about the bad lighting. It's at night, but I really wanted to remind you guys before this video started about the link in the description box below. We have 25% off on all the PrepAgent bundle packages, whether it's premium, basic, or deluxe. Our program will help give you the confidence so you're ready to pass your national and/or state real estate exam. Hi, this is Joe from PrepAgent. Let's take a moment to talk about the different types of listings that you need to know to pass your real estate exam. First off, a listing is an employment contract which hires you to find a buyer, not sell the house. Remember, when an agent gets a listing, they're employed to find a ready, willing, and able buyer. Listings go into two basic categories: exclusive and non-exclusive. Non-exclusive could also be known as an open listing. An open listing means you can hire anybody to list your home. And by doing that, it doesn't break your agreement with another broker. So you could have 10 or 20 brokers all list your home at the same time. The one who gets paid is the one who's the procuring cause of the buyer. The one who gives the procuring cause of the buyer, they get paid. That's it. No questions asked. Exclusive listing means you can only hire one broker. Exclusive listing goes into two categories that you need to know to pass your real estate exam: exclusive right to sell and exclusive agency. Exclusive agency listing means that when you list the home, if the owner sells it themselves, you get nothing. So much like the open listing, you'd have to prove that you're the procuring cause of the buyer. Exclusive right to sell listing, no procuring cause is needed because it doesn't matter who brings in the buyer. You get paid no matter what. Somebody buys that house, you did your job. That's the most common listing. So you have exclusive right to sell and exclusive agency. Exclusive right to sell, you get paid as long as the buyer comes in and fulfills the agreement and purchases the home. Exclusive agency, if the owner sells themselves, you get nothing. Open listing means you can work with many brokers at once. Now, some of you guys have asked me about a net listing. A net listing is a form of payment. Many states don't allow net listings because there tends to be an inherent conflict of interest. The way a net listing works is if you list a home for $500,000, you bring a buyer $550,000, you make $50,000. You get the amount above and beyond the set price. Everybody's happy, right? Well, not so much. You would think everybody's happy. The seller got their $500,000, you got $50,000, yay. The issue is if a buyer comes in at $500,000, you have to present that offer to your seller. It's your fiduciary duty. But therein lies the conflict of interest because you will get nothing. You'll do all that work and get paid nothing. Now, I know everybody has the utmost highest integrity, but there are agents out there who won't show that buyer because they'll get paid nothing. Henceforth, a lot of areas don't allow it, and many just discourage it. Either way, it could be a dicey proposition because of that conflict of interest. Check the rules in your state about a net listing. So, just to review, you have the open listing, which means a seller could hire many brokers at once. You have the exclusive right to sell, which means when you list a house, you get paid. You don't have to prove that the buyer came from you. You have exclusive agency, where you're the only broker, but the seller can sell it themselves. I hope that helps. This is Joe from PrepAgent, and I'll see you soon.